Welcome guys, today I am with JBL Horizon 2 and I'm going to show you how you can pair this speaker to your Android smartphone. So at first, for sure, we have to power on this device. We can make it by using this cable and we can plug it right here. So when the device is turned on, all you have to do is just click once on this Bluetooth button. You will find it right here next to this cam and these two arrows. So when you click once, you will get the information on the screen, the reconnecting, and that's also the Bluetooth icon. It's blinking. There's also some kind of the notification sound. So we can just simply click to pair new device on our Android phone, and after a few seconds on the available devices list, we'll get our JBL Horizon 2. So we have to be patient and just wait until this device pops on the list. As you can see, it appears, so we can just click once. I just misclicked, never mind. Okay, let me just go back. Sorry guys for the misclick. So select JBL Horizon 2, accept the pairing request, and after a few seconds we will be successfully connected. And as you can see, there it is. So that was very simple, as you can see. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.